Imagine the Czinger 21C blazing down a winding road, its silhouette slicing through the landscape like a bolt of lightning. The world blurs past as the car hugs each curve with a confidence that borders on the supernatural. This isn't just a drive, it's an experience that redefines what it means to be behind the wheel of a hypercar. Every twist and turn is a testament to the engineering mastery that went into its creation, and every mile is a celebration of speed, agility, and innovation. Its carbon fiber body is a blur of innovation, shimmering under the sunlight. Each panel is meticulously crafted, not just for aesthetics, but for ultimate performance. The lightweight construction allows the 21C to achieve feats that were once thought impossible, pushing the boundaries of what a car can do. The carbon fiber weave isn't just a material choice, it's a symbol of the relentless pursuit of perfection, where every gram saved translates to more speed, more efficiency, and more excitement. The sound of its engine melds with the wind, a symphony of speed and precision. As the revs climb, you feel the raw power coursing through the chassis, harmonizing with the rush of air. It's not just noise, it's music for the senses, a reminder that performance and emotion are inseparable in the world of hypercars. The 21C's powertrain is engineered to deliver both heart-pounding acceleration and a driving experience that stirs the soul. This isn't just any hypercar, it's a marvel of modern engineering born in Los Angeles, a city known for its creativity and innovation. Here, amidst the vibrant energy of LA, the Czinger team has fused art and science to create something truly extraordinary. The 21C stands as a testament to what's possible when visionaries and engineers come together with a shared dream to build the future of performance vehicles. As electric vehicles rise, the need for lighter, more efficient designs becomes critical. The automotive world is in the midst of a revolution, with sustainability and performance no longer at odds. Manufacturers are racing to find new ways to reduce weight, increase range, and deliver exhilarating driving experiences, all while minimizing environmental impact. The Czinger 21C is at the forefront of this movement, showing that you don't have to sacrifice excitement for efficiency. Traditional methods struggle to balance weight and strength, but the Czinger 21C redefines what's possible. By embracing advanced materials and cutting-edge manufacturing techniques, Czinger has created a car that's both incredibly strong and astonishingly light. This breakthrough allows for unprecedented agility and speed, setting new benchmarks for the industry and inspiring others to rethink what a hypercar can be. Its journey began with a bold vision to create an electric hypercar without compromise. Designers and engineers worked tirelessly, sketching, modeling, and refining every detail. Their goal was clear: to blend breathtaking aesthetics with groundbreaking technology, ensuring that the 21C would not only look stunning but also perform at the highest level. Every line, every curve, and every component was scrutinized to achieve the perfect balance of form and function. The result? A vehicle built with future-forward technologies, where efficiency and performance coexist. Advanced 3D printing and automation have enabled the creation of parts that are lighter, stronger, and more complex than ever before. This approach not only enhances performance, but also opens up new possibilities for design and customization, making each 21C a unique masterpiece of engineering. The 21C isn't just about speed, it's a symbol of change, challenging the status quo. On the racetrack, it leaves traditional supercars in its wake, breaking records and turning heads. But its true impact goes beyond numbers. It represents a shift in how we think about performance, sustainability, and the future of mobility. Enthusiasts and experts alike are taking notice, recognizing the 21C as a harbinger of a new era. It invites us to imagine a world where the limits of traditional manufacturing no longer apply. With the Czinger 21C, we glimpse a future where technology and creativity work hand in hand, unlocking possibilities we once only dreamed of. This is more than a car. It's a revolution on wheels, and it's only the beginning. Can you grow a car chassis like a tree? This radical question inspired the Czinger 21C's creators. Instead of cutting and welding metal, they envisioned a chassis developed layer by layer, node by node. This organic approach promised new possibilities in design and efficiency. By embracing nature's principles, Czinger and Divergent technologies set out to transform car manufacturing. Their goal: a system that assembles a chassis with minimal waste and maximum adaptability. This vision led to the adaptive manufacturing system, a method that would change automotive manufacturing forever. The 21C's structure is proof that thinking beyond tradition can spark true innovation. At the heart of the Czinger 21C lies a groundbreaking innovation, the Adaptive Manufacturing System, or AMS. This system is more than just a tool, it's the driving force behind the car's revolutionary design and performance. The AMS seamlessly integrates advanced 3D printing technology into every stage of production, allowing for a level of creativity and efficiency that was previously unimaginable in the automotive world. Unlike traditional CNC machining, which carves away material from a solid block, 3D printing builds components layer by layer, adding material only where it's needed. This approach dramatically reduces waste, making the process more sustainable and cost-effective. It also opens the door to creating intricate organic shapes that would be impossible or prohibitively expensive to achieve with conventional methods. The AMS leverages this advanced 3D printing capability to produce lightweight, yet incredibly strong components with unmatched precision. Every part is engineered for optimal performance, using only the exact amount of material required, which results in a lighter, faster, and more efficient vehicle. Rapid prototyping is another key advantage. Designers and engineers can quickly create, test, and refine new parts, iterating on their ideas in a matter of days instead of months. This speed not only accelerates innovation but also allows for continuous improvement throughout the development process. While CNC machining is limited by the constraints of cutting tools and the geometry of the material, 3D printing is virtually limitless. It can construct complex interlocking shapes and internal structures that simply can't be made any other way, giving designers unprecedented freedom. This flexibility is absolutely crucial for the Czinger 21C's performance-driven design. Engineers can optimize every component for strength, weight, and aerodynamics, ensuring that nothing is wasted and every part contributes to the car's overall performance. The AMS isn't just a piece of technology, it represents a new philosophy in manufacturing. It's a system that adapts to the needs of the design, rather than forcing the design to fit the limitations of traditional manufacturing. This adaptability is what sets the Czinger 21C apart from anything that's come before. With 3D printing at its core, the boundaries of automotive innovation are being pushed further than ever before. The Czinger 21C is not just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of manufacturing, where imagination and technology work hand in hand to create something truly extraordinary. The Czinger 21C's chassis is a collection of meticulously crafted components, not a single printed piece. Printed nodes connect carbon fiber tubes, creating a modular, lightweight, and strong structure. Each node is 3D printed for optimal strength and minimal material use. This approach allows the team to tailor the chassis for specific performance needs. The result is a rigid, responsive framework that supports the 21C's powerful electric powertrain. It's a bold departure from tradition, blending advanced materials and techniques for efficiency and elegance. The Czinger 21C's design delivers remarkable weight savings without sacrificing strength. 3D printed nodes and carbon fiber tubes create an exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. Unlike traditional methods, this approach places material only where it's needed most. The result? A car that's light, agile, and robust, enhancing acceleration, braking, and safety. Lightweight construction means quicker responses and a solid foundation for high-speed maneuvers. Every gram counts in a hypercar, and the 21C achieves peak performance without compromise. This efficiency also reduces environmental impact, setting a new benchmark for sustainable performance. The 21C proves high performance and responsibility can go hand in hand. Assembling the Czinger 21C is a showcase of modern engineering where every detail is meticulously planned and executed. The process begins in a state-of-the-art facility where skilled engineers and advanced robotics work side by side, each playing a crucial role in bringing this revolutionary hypercar to life. The environment is a blend of precision, innovation, and passion, setting the stage for what's to come. The innovative chassis and electric powertrain are seamlessly integrated for peak performance and reliability, This integration is not just about fitting parts together, it's about creating a unified system where every component communicates and works in harmony. The powertrain is designed to deliver instant torque and exceptional efficiency, while the chassis provides the strength and agility needed for high-speed performance. The process starts with the 3D printed chassis, a marvel of lightweight strength and design flexibility. Technicians then carefully install the high-performance electric motor and advanced battery systems, ensuring each element is perfectly positioned for optimal weight distribution and balance. This careful assembly is what allows the 21C to achieve its remarkable speed and handling. Every step is guided by digital precision tools and real-time data monitoring. Technicians use advanced calibration equipment to ensure that each bolt is tightened to exact specifications, and sensors are meticulously checked to guarantee flawless communication between the chassis and powertrain. Precision is key. Every connection is checked to ensure smooth, efficient operation. Quality control experts inspect electrical systems, wiring, and connections, making sure that nothing is left to chance. This attention to detail is what sets the 21C apart from conventional vehicles. This blend of technology and craftsmanship guarantees the 21C meets the highest standards. Robotics handle repetitive, high-precision tasks, while human hands bring artistry and intuition to the assembly, ensuring that every car is unique and flawless. More than a technical feat, it's a vision for the future of automotive manufacturing. The Czinger 21C represents a new era, where digital design, additive manufacturing, and sustainable practices converge to redefine what's possible in the automotive world. The process highlights how innovation and sustainability can coexist in high-performance vehicles. From the use of recycled materials to energy-efficient assembly methods, every step is designed with the environment in mind, proving that speed and responsibility can go hand in hand. The 21C sets a new standard for precision, efficiency, and responsibility, paving the way for the next generation of hypercars and inspiring the future of automotive innovation. The Czinger 21C's construction delivers both lightness and rigidity, crucial for performance. Its lightweight chassis and advanced powertrain enable exhilarating acceleration and precise handling. Rigidity ensures stability at high speeds, while the tuned suspension keeps the car planted in any condition. The result is a driving experience that's both thrilling and confidence-inspiring. Lightweight design also means improved efficiency and range. The 21C proves that hypercars can be both fast and sustainable. It's a new benchmark for performance without compromise. The Czinger 21C marks a turning point in car manufacturing. Advanced technologies and innovative design converge for vehicles that are high-performing and sustainable. 3D printing reduces tooling costs and allows for complex customized components. Material is added only where needed, minimizing waste and environmental impact. This new paradigm values efficiency and responsibility as much as performance. The 21C is proof that innovation and sustainability can drive the industry forward. It's a shift toward a more responsible, flexible approach to car manufacturing. The future of automotive design is here, and it's changing everything. As the Czinger 21C races into the future, it inspires a new vision for automotive manufacturing. This hypercar isn't just a technological marvel, it's a bold step forward. The 21C shows that by embracing new technologies, we can surpass the limits of tradition. It's not just about building better cars, but reimagining the entire process. The 21C proves performance and sustainability can go hand in hand. It challenges us to dream bigger and push boundaries. With the 21C leading the way, the future of automotive innovation is bright.